Hi, my name is Corey DeFlippo from Shelton, Connecticut. I believe that this isn't the America that I remember. I am 32 years old. You are now guilty until proven innocent. There is no more innocent until proven guilty. These laws, I don't know where they come from. The policemen, they treat us like we're animals, like we're pieces of garbage. We pay their salary. We're taxpayers. The way that the criminals are, the people in jail are treated, they are treated like animals. They are not animals. We are human beings, just like everybody else, just like your family that you love so much. Imagine if it was your family. My family's been destroyed because of wrongful conviction. Destroyed. For 9 years. Destroyed. So, I don't know how any of you could sleep at night knowing that there's all these people out there hurting. And that's what I have to say to you, Congress. For our life is in your hands.